Hello viewers, hope you all are doing great. In continuation to ongoing series of minerals on my channel Food Cyto, today I am going to discuss about our next micro mineral, that is chromium. Let's go through its key features. Like other minerals, chromium also exists in several oxidation states from Cr2- to Cr6+. However, Cr3+ or trivalent form is the biologically important one. Whereas Cr6+, which is consumed in very small amounts, comes from industrial sources. In the acidic environment of the stomach, Cr6+ is converted to the trivalent form, that is Cr3+. Unlike other minerals, chromium is present in small amounts in our body. As represented here, the kidneys followed by spleen, liver, lung, heart and skeletal muscle are the tissues with greatest chromium concentration. Among sources we have whole grain cereals, spices and condiments, mushroom, meat, especially organ meats, cheese, prunes and tea. Now let's discuss about its function. Active chromium as GTF, that is glucose tolerance factor, potentiates the action of insulin and thus influences carbohydrate, lipids and insulin metabolism. Similarly, insulin function is associated with improved lipid profile. Overall, chromium appears to reduce the total cholesterol level, LDL cholesterol and triglycerides in blood and increases the level of HDL cholesterol. In addition to that, it has been postulated that chromium 3+, that is the trivalent form, is involved in maintaining the structural integrity of nuclear strands and regulating the gene expression. Discussing about its deficiency, chromium deficiency is associated with impaired glucose tolerance. It results in insulin resistance characterized by hyperinsulinemia, which in turn is implicated as a risk factor for coronary heart disease. Talking about its toxicity, the trivalent chromium, that is the form which is found in food and supplements, is the least toxic. Oral supplements up to 800 to 1000 microgram per day appear to be safe. However, the hexavalent form, that is Cr6+, found in paints, welding fumes or other industrial settings, is very toxic. Inhalation of Cr6+ may lead to respiratory diseases, whereas direct contact may result in dermatitis and skin ulceration. Liver damage may also occur. Now, talking about its dietary intake, adequate daily dietary intake of chromium for an adult male is around 35 microgram per day, whereas for females it is around 25 microgram per day. So that's all about chromium. Stay tuned with Food Cyto for more such concepts and learning in a simplified manner. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.